Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sharayu. Today I'm going to show you the correct technique of applying hair oil. So if you're at home and you haven't been to any parlor or spa since last many months and you want to oil your hair by yourself, this is how you're supposed to do it. So let's begin with it. Initially I'm combing my hair properly, you can see, and detangling all the strands. Perfect. Okay, super. Now, after detangling, I'm dividing my hair into two parts. Okay. Super. And I am combing each side well. I'm doing this because what happens is if you don't comb your hair properly and you apply oil, the strands, if they are already dry and very much damaged, then because of a lot of oil onto the strands, they start breaking, and then when you comb your hair, there might be a lot of hair fall. Okay, so make sure that you comb your hair nicely. Now this is my hair oil. So it is red onion hair oil, 100% organic, and I use it almost 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, so I'll be using this. If you can see, a beautiful color and very organic, no harmful chemicals, no mineral oil. Okay, so I'm taking the oil in my hand now. There is this oil, dipping my fingers into it, and initially I'm applying it on the scalp. I don't prefer using cotton because most of the oil is soaked by the cotton itself. So first apply it throughout the center. Okay, super. So just keep spreading it. Yeah, super. Now just rub it between your palms. Okay, and just try applying it to the scalp. I'm not right now massaging at all. I'm focusing on application, that the entire scalp should be covered. Okay, the best part is if you could make divisions and apply, make divisions and apply, make divisions and apply. Perfect. Similarly, divisions, apply, divisions, apply, and divisions, apply. Perfect. See, I have not mixed the partition yet. Now I'm doing some nice circular strokes. It obviously differs when a person gives you a massage, when a therapist gives you a massage. So just a nice circular movement of your fingertips. Make sure your nails are cut while giving a good head massage. It feels amazing. Now I know that I haven't applied much oil to the back of my head, so now I'll focus on that. I'm really not, playing a lot with my strands because I don't want to tangle them again. Okay, so बहुत प्यार से oil आपको लगाना है. Okay, yeah, super. Now what we'll do is I'm taking some more oil and I'm applying it at the ends. Now when you're doing it by yourself, again the same thing, apply it on your fingertips and just make sure that you're running fingers over your scalp. Feels amazing, like I can go to bed right now. Super. Usually I wear the clothes on which oil stains won't matter, so that kind of clothes I wear during the chumpy day. तो जिनके ऊपर अगर स्टेन भी लग जाए ऑयल का, it will be fine. Yeah, so now I've applied it to the scalp. Super. Now again circular, starting from the top of your head, slowly backwards towards the nape of your neck. Feels amazing. One more time. All the dust on your scalp actually mixes with the oil, and then when you wash your hair nicely with the shampoo, all those pollutants really gets rid of the scalp. You can see how nicely circular motion. I'm not mixing the partition. Super. Okay. So I've really applied a lot of oil, quite generous amounts. Okay. Perfect. Now I'm going to apply some oil to the strands. What happens is, most of the time strands are dry, or if you are using a lot of parlor instruments, I would say, hot gadgets, hair loses its moisture. So they tend to, get stuck up with each other, and there is a lot of friction. So oiling your strand is very important to lessen that friction. So what am I doing is just running my hands through my hair this way, very gently, बहुत प्यार से, okay, and the entire length of my hair I am covering. Super. Similarly, my right side, I'm taking oil, rubbing it between my palms, okay, and I'm applying it along the strands with a lot of love, yeah, covering the entire strand. Especially the ends, so I make sure that I oil my ends also well. Okay, superb, superb. Now from scalp to the tips, my hair is nicely oiled. Perfect, perfect. Now what I do is, again I comb my hair. Okay, so I'll comb my hair again. Okay, superb. So this usually is the bedtime routine. Okay. So be very gentle, give a good massage. Most of the times, oils which have a lot of heavy fragrances do contain mineral oil. So if your oil is smelling like too good, it definitely contains mineral oil. It should always have that natural ingredient smell, fragrance. Superb, superb. Yeah, so I've combed my hair nicely. Perfect. Yeah. Now usually what I do is, I comb them backwards and tie a nice braid, a nice choti, and next morning before bathing I just nicely comb my hair and only then wash them. Similarly with two side of partition. So that's how you're supposed to apply oil, with gentle fingertips, circular massages, comb your hair nicely, and make sure that you are very gentle while doing head massages. Because most of the time patients are into this telogen effluent phase where a lot of hair is falling, बहुत ज़्यादा बाल गिरते रहते हैं, झड़ते रहते हैं. So be very careful if your hair is not in the growth phase, if the roots have become very very weak. अगर combing भी किया तो भी आपके बाल गिर रहे हैं, then make sure while applying oil, be very careful, be very gentle. So that's all for today. That's about oiling. That's about how my oiling routine is, and I do tell my patients to follow this routine as well, and it gives great results because the technique is very important instead of haphazard applying of oil. So bye girls, take care. I hope you got it. Have a very nice month. Happy September to all of you.